working as assistant professor in the Department of IT from the B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today I am here to give the complete idea about IO statements from the course of Computational Thinking and Programming. In the C language, it provides standard functions like scanf and printf functions. We are using these functions for the formatted input and outputs. First, I would like to give the idea about the scanf function. Function is used to read the data from the input devices. If you are willing to take any type of inputs from the input devices, there we can take the support of scanf function. Let me explain about the scanf function. So if you observe the syntax of the scanf function, first we should start with format specifier separated by comma, and after that we can maintain the list of variables. So here ampersand symbol is acting as address operator. It is used to hold the address of that variable. The scanf function is always used to read any type of data from the input devices. So here let me give one example for the scanf function. I specify two different data types, %d, %c. %d for integer data type, %c for character data type, ampersand data 1, ampersand data 2. In this scanf statement, ampersand data 1 and ampersand data 2, these two are variables. So in the scanf statement, we must place the address operator before the variable name. What is format specifier? Format specifiers are always used in the scanf function and printf function. What is the usage of format specifier? Format specifiers are the combination of percentage symbol along with single or two alphabets in lowercase or uppercase. It is used to identify the type of data. Format specifiers are always used during input and output. What it gives the information to the compiler, what type of data while taking as input from the input device, and what type of data we are displaying on the screen. So that is the reason format specifiers should be mentioned in the scanf and printf statement. So what are the different types of format specifier? Here in this table, I have given the different types of format specifier along to the corresponding data type. %d for integer data type, %c for character data type, %f format specifier for the float data type, %lf for the double data type, %s for the string data type. So these format specifiers are important to specify in the scanf function while you are taking any type of data as input to your program. And to print or to display the output on the screen also, we have to specify the format specifiers along with our variable name in the printf function. Now it's time to get idea about the printf function. Printf function, it is used for output formatted as the standard output according to a formatted specification. For example, if you want to print any values on the screen or along with one statement along with variable values you want to print on the screen, there we can take the support of printf function. Printf function syntax also similar as scanf function. Here also we are specifying the format specifier along with variables list. Here we are not giving address operator. Only we are using address operator in the scanf function. Let me give the example for the printf statement. So here if you observe the syntax for the printf statement, we are mentioning format specifiers along with the variable name. In this printf statement, I am taking two different data types. One is integer data type and another one is character data type. For the integer data type, what is the format specifier I am using here? %d. %c for character data type. Data 1, data 2 are variable names. So here variable list always separated by commas when we are using more than one variable in our program. So here the character specified after percentage is referred to as a conversion specifier or conversion character. So here the format specification string can contain text as well. Like let me give the example for this. Print up number percentage d. Here slash n is used to give the separate line for the formatted output. Slash t is also using in the printf statement to get the horizontal space between the variable. Now, let me give the example for the usage of scanf and printf function. When I come to the programming, in this program, I am willing to read one variable. That variable name is a and it is belongs to the integer data type. I am using printf to take the value for the integer variable. I am taking the support of printf statement to print some comment on the screen. Enter a value. I am reading the a value from the keyboard by taking the support of scanf function. Percentage d comma ampersand a. Here percentage d is the format specifier for the integer data type. Ampersand a, it refers always to hold the value of a. That is the reason in the scanf function we have to place the ampersand symbol before the variable name. After that, by using the printf statement, I am willing to print entered value equal to percentage d. So here this is the comment like text. I am willing to print this text on the screen along with the a value. When I come to another example for the usage of scanf and printer, this example is taking the support of three number of variables. Two number of variables are acting as input variables and one is acting as output variable. So to read any two values from the keyboard, I mean from the input device, there we are taking the support of scanf function. Here I have taken the support of scanf function to read two values, those are A and B. After reading those values, I am going to add those two values and placing the result into the C variable. So now it's time to print the addition of A value and B value on the screen by taking the support of printf statement. Here I am using printf statement along with the text. I am willing to print C value on the screen. The addition of two numbers is percentage d comma C because C is also integer data type. That is the reason in the printf statement I have placed the percentage d as a format specifier. GetChar function. What is the need of getChar function in the programming? In the C language, getChar function is used to read a single character from the input devices. For that need, we can take the support of getChar function. GetChar function, by using getChar function, we are willing to read single character from the input device. Any type of single character you can take. For example, if you observe the syntax for the scanf function, here variable name equal to getChar function. So here if you observe this example, I am taking the support of title as the variable name and it belongs to the character data type. So here I am assigning getChar value, getChar function to my variable name that is title. Once if you assign getChar function to the title, whatever variable we are reading from the input device, that is placed in the title variable. So now title variable is going to hold the character which we read from the keyboard. Here we are going to take the support of putchar function similar to getChar. Putchar function is used to print character, a single character on the screen. So getChar function is used to read a single character from the input device. Here putchar function is used to write a single character on the screen. If you observe the syntax like similar to getChar, here also we are using putchar of variable name. What is the variable name? You assigned to hold the getChar function to hold the one character what we read from the input device that will be available in the variable name. That is the reason to print that character on the screen. There we are taking the support of putchar. If you observe the example of this program, I am taking the support of character data type along with the variable name result. I assigned p value to my result. For example, if I am willing to print this value on the screen, there I am taking the support of putchar function. How we are reading single character from the input device and how we are printing a single character on the screen. Like that, we are able to read a string from the input device and we are able to print a string on the screen by taking the support of getS and putS function. Here, get means reading the data from the input device. What we are reading? String we are reading. That is the reason function name is getS, and putS is used to write a string or print a string on the screen. If you observe getS function and putS function, here I have given one example program. I am willing to read a string from the input device, and after that I am willing to print whatever string I read it from the input device, that string willing to print on the screen by taking the support of putS function. Here if you observe, hash include stdio.h, hash include string.h. stdio.h header file is used to get the benefits for the usage of printf and scanf function, and string.h header file is there. From this header file, we will get the benefits from the getS function and putS function. So if you are willing to get the usage of getS and putS functions in the program, definitely we should mandatory to specify string.h header file in the programming. So here I have given name array. Name array. Array means collection of similar items along with, it belongs to the same data type under the single variable name. Here my array name is name. I am willing to read 50 up to 50 character string and willing to print it on the screen by taking the support of getS and putS function. If you observe this program, I have taken name array up to 50 characters, and by taking the support of printf statement, willing to display one comment on the screen, that is the enter your name. Once if you print this comment on the screen, after that by taking the support of getS function, you are able to read the string from the input device. After that, I am willing to print another comment, that is your name is. After that comment, I am willing to print whatever string I read it from the input device. That one will be print on the screen by taking the support of putS function. GetS of array name I am giving here, and putS of variable name I am giving here to print that one on the screen. So let me come to the conclusion for the IO statement. Mainly, we are focusing on the printf, scanf, getchar, putchar, putS, getS. These functions we are using in the C programming. What is the usage of printf function? It is always used to display any comments, any text, or along with values also on the screen by taking the support of printf function. Scanf function is there to read any type of data from the input device. There we are taking the support of scanf function. And getCH function is also there. This function is used to input a single character. And to display a single character on the screen, we can also take the support of putCH function like getchar and putchar. Here we can also take the support of getCH and putCH functions. After that, if you observe getS and putS function, these functions are used to read a string from the input device and write a string on the screen by taking the support of getS and putS function. These are the main standard functions available in the C language to write our program in the formatted manners. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.